I lost keys to my gate back there, so we had to take the truck all the way around the barn and pull it in. Now my tractor's in front of the truck, but behind a locked gate. So I gotta find those keys, and I have no idea where they're at. Hi, and welcome back. As you can see, truck's out of here. Still got the tailgate. Thinking about making a bench out of it or something. Tonight, I think this is gonna be a short video. Gonna go over what we've done to the Bronco, what we're gonna do to it. For the new people that may have joined just for the truck that was in here. And two, go over what we did with the truck. Going forward, if we keep it, if we sell it, then whatnot. And two, I need to, if you can't tell, it's extremely dirty in here, so I need to clean it up tonight. I'm not gonna film that. I don't figure you want to see me sweep. So probably just a talking head video. Let's jump into it. For the new people that may have not seen my earlier videos, we started this Bronco about a year ago in February, replacing all the rust, inner rockers, outer rockers, kick panel. There's a big hole right here. See my fingers pointing. So we had to get metal to piece back the inner fender, and then this outer side kick panel goes on it. And we're having issues with the body dropping when I released the clamps down there. But I think I got that kind of figured out, what happened. I think the main thing was I didn't put the new bushings in before I set the body on it. Or let me rephrase that. I didn't put new bushings in before I started to replace pieces and brace it too. That's a big issue. I didn't brace it with the new body mounts in, so the old ones were squished, so when I put the new ones in, it left a gap. And that gap, when I take the clamps off, comes down, and that shoots the brace up. And that messes up my measurement in here from the dash to the floor. So I think we got that figured out. And where we're at now is gonna drill spot weld holes for the kick panel, and we're gonna prime it. Need to do more spot weld holes for the inner rocker, and then we need to blow all this apart, spray everything with a weld through primer, put it back in, and start welding. But having issues with the door pillar, or the door post, the one that the door hinges from. On passenger side, it's totally, I don't know if it's usable or not, but I'm gonna try. If not, we're gonna have to buy a new one. But I'll just take you over there and show you. All right, this is the Bronco. It's a 71 Ford Bronco. As you can see, it's what the floor pan over here looked like. We're in the process of replacing the floor, this rear pan. We built this flange back here. It's not mated right now, and that's probably how it's going to be. Because my plan is to put a one of those lock boxes on this side. But we finally got our 17 from here to the floor, and this is in there pretty good now too. One of my other videos, when I put this together, this thing popped out, but I think we got it pretty square now. See, we had to replace this piece, and you can see my welding skills are non-existent, but that's what it looked like. But yeah, we're about to drill some holes in this and drill these holes out for our pieces we need. I think forgot what this is called. Bolts up here. Anyways, we'll get that. I do think this needs to be no, it doesn't need to be trimmed or anything. Just kind of needs to come up some. See, we got a little bit of gapping here, a little bit here, and right through here. So I think this can shift up a little bit, and that should bring this up a tad. But yeah, spot weld. I'm gonna weld to the outside of this pan, or this panel, because there's no way I can go on the inside and do that. I don't really want to either, but I think this helps stiffen it. We put this on here, I don't want to say last time, but it wasn't that long ago. That holds it pretty good. And we got some kind of filling we need to do through here to get that right. But all in all, it's all pretty flat and really pretty straight. You look at it from this side, I mean, it looks good to me. If I want to get another set of eyes on it that actually knows how to do rust repair and body work. That was our main problem, is those washers. It's solid now, but put those new bushings in, raised it up. When I let everything go, that went down to the frame, and that in turn kicked this floor brace up when the bolt and the body bolt was in it. So I think we got that fixed. Pan needs a little bit of work, but I think all in all we're not too far off from getting this welded back in. Also, there's my hoop I made to lift the body. I had to break that off and finish this back out. But yeah, this is, can't see my garage. This is it. Bunch of Bronco parts on this shelf. I think that's GMC parts. Miscellaneous. There's a bunch of the Healy hard to find parts. Bronco tub. All this stuff needs to go garage sale, and most of this stuff over here needs to go to a garage sale. But my other plan I'm going to start to do, probably won't video it, but I'm going to insulate these walls, make it built-in that goes above here, and I'm going to build it where I could fit a decent sized toolbox here, because I want to get rid of this one, get a bigger one to fit all my tools. Will be in here, so I'm going to come up, I don't know how high I'll go. Anyways, come up here, build a little box around the window, full set of cabinets here, probably move this somewhere else, and do a full set of cabinets all the way to here. That way I can get rid of this stuff here and this here, and I'll have stuff to put everything in and get it closed, and I won't see it. That's my main objective. And once that's done, all through this here, get rid of a bunch of stuff. Got much scrap metal for forging and whatnot, but haven't done that in a while. But I want to get this clear because we're going to get this garage door fixed eventually, where it actually will work. And if you didn't know, I have a 65 Austin Healy back there that needs to be restored as well. But we're gonna get the Bronco done first. Unless the wife says yeah on the truck, then we may put the truck back in here and just switch between them. But this is my little garage / studio. It's not big, but it'll get the job done. Truck that was in here, it's my truck. I tore it apart years ago, and I lost a fender in that front of the bed. She saw in the videos. Had a guy approach me to buy it. Don't know if he won it or not still. They may have found another truck. If he wants it, then I'm probably going to sell it because we need money for this. If he doesn't, then I'm going to try to convince my wife to let me make it my daily. That entails putting a new, well, the truck doesn't have a title to it. So it'll be a frame with a title. I heard S10 frames work. I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that out. But putting a frame under it that can hold the modern engine, transmission, all this other stuff, and just make it a good daily driver. Not doing any body work to it. Just, I said clear coat it, but I think a semi-gloss might look better. But just kind of protect the outside, make the inside really nice, and just drive it and have fun with it. As if I keep it. But that's all up in there right now. I'm not sure. Sure if we can keep it or sell it, I don't know. But that's that on that truck. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, sorry. I mean, we didn't work on anything. Just want to give new people kind of what we've been doing and kind of what we're going towards. I'm exhausted if you can't tell. Channel's usually not like this. We usually mess with something. We'll bring the Bronco back out next time. Push it back out, and we marked already where our spot holes need to be drilled or punched. We'll get those punched next time, and we'll lay them all out here on the floor and do some well-through primer on them. That way we can attempt to start to tack them in. I don't want to say do it because see my welding is not good. So we'll try to get it tacked in. But once we get this side done, we'll switch the driver's side, do it. And once all the rust's pretty much fixed through here and there's no just big holes through the side, we're gonna pull the body off, set it here, and start working on the frame, getting that all the rust and mud and grime knocked off of it, and just go through it. So we need to order, just kind of build it frame up. I like to have everything on the frame, suspension wise. Even some of the hard lines run before we put the body back on it, but before we put the body back on it, it needs to go to body work. I don't know how to do that. I can try to do it, but if we make it that far, I think I may have some external help to make sure it looks right, because I like it to be a nice Bronco, and I don't think my body and painting capabilities are non-existent, to be honest with you. So we may farm that out. But anyways, I was kind of rambling on. If we made it this far, thanks for watching. Like I said, normally not what we do, but I'm tired. I gotta go to work. So just kind of giving you an overview of what we've done, what we're going forward with, what we're thinking about doing with that truck, if I do sell it or not. So we got a bunch of things going on at once. Maybe come out a short video tomorrow or sometime. Kind of show you where the truck's sitting and how we got it out there. Kind of off subject, but I lost keys to my gate back there, so we had to take the truck all the way around the barn and pull it in. Now my tractor's in front of the truck, but behind a locked gate. So I gotta find those keys, and I have no idea where they're at. We'll either find them or we'll cut the locks, or I'll just do like a 50-point turn in the barn and try to run over 10 to get out on the tractor. But the truck is safe back there. It's sheltered. Not like it matters because it's rusty anyways. Getting off subject. If you like what you see, anyways, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, usually something car related. Next time will be the Bronco. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does really help the channel out. But anyways, I am about to fall asleep standing up. So thank you for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you next time.